Hi, welcome to Jackie Cooper Imports. My name is Freddie Tinkler. I'm the delivery specialist here for Mercedes. And when I usually go over the car with customers, the first question they always have is Bluetooth. And so I want to show you how to do that today, and our Mercedes makes it really easy to do. First what we're going to do, we're going to focus on the screen on the car. And I'm going to actually use an iPhone 6 to connect our Bluetooth today. So what we're going to do, you're going to go to your Bluetooth screen on your phone. You're going to look on the screen on the car as this is staying on this screen. And what I'm going to do on the car is you'll see on the screen for the vehicle, I'm going to go down to Connect Device here. I'm going to click down on that. I'm going to click on Search for Phones and start searching for it. At any second now, my phone's name will pop up. I will click on the phone right there. It's going to ask for a code. Now if you look at your phone, it brings up the same number. All you have to do is hit pair and then press down for yes on the screen, and it will actually confirm it automatically, transfer all your contacts, and you get full Bluetooth in the car. And that's how you connect Bluetooth.